represent the trenches, the one who sat on benches till they need the game winner. Then I came and clinched it. Put your money on the buck slap every single time. Bring the goods like a lunch sack. Yeah, it's that underground. Label me a horror flick. Mix it up with hip hop and morbid whores. We killing shit. I'm an easy target, ain't too hard to find. Got blood on my hands with money on my mind. I run with psychos and ghosts and vampires. Haters say they'll knock me out. Y'all some damn lies. Cause I'm immovable, hard like a statue. Alien invasion, pull a laser gun and zap you. Affiliated with these ninjas and they hate it. Spread the virus like contagion, now the world's contaminated. Bring it wicked, how we live it is the conjuring. Demons out the black box, listen to the monster sing.
I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target. No, I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target. I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target. No, I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target. I sit alone in my four-corner room, staring at candles. Fresh batch of DMT and my whiskey handle. Ain't nothing that burning sage can do. If there's a Jesus in sandals, he got an AK to my head. I'm one fucked up mammal. I'm a freak show attendee. My personality 10D. I'm in distress spiritually. Seance has been broken. My day one's got emotions and suddenly reappear. Cause I don't wanna go down with them. Fucking weasels over 30 years. I stayed sincere. My fiance says I'm a mess. He tryna provoke spirits while I'm slightly possessed. Trying to finesse every which way that I can. Life's a bitch and then you dance. From my past exams it says that I'm a monster with no chance to advance. I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target. No, I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target. I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target. No, I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target.
Target practicing with me, don't expect to pit me out by accident. I'm hard to hit and God forbid if the shot you thought you had you missed. I'm hard as carbon atom mix with solid matter, strong as Darwin's bark and spiderweb, with balls as large as Colin Kaepernick's. It's hard to holler fast after that line, it's just a metaphor. Ain't nobody getting what is gonna silence me for what I stand up for. You start a fight, I end a war. Sure, we can keep it hip hop, just don't bring no stupid shit up. I might beat your kid up for it. Some shit I got limits on. If you said it, better dead it or get a headphone cord right around your neck, just second short of that before deciding applying pressure. Less is more, but this is karma, bitch. What was even running through your head when you were thinking I'm the one that should be targeted? You really thinking you're equivalent to everything, you'll never get it through, you retarded head. Yeah.
I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target. No, I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target. I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target. No, I'm an easy target, I'm an easy target. There's a ghost inside my house and he wants to party, party. There's a ghost inside my house and he wants to party, party. I'm clairvoyant, I see the future, I time travel. Playing truth or dare with the devil in my shadow. Max Headroom called me on his car phone and said he's looking in my window. I'm all alone, feeling like somebody's watching me. Playing Super Nintendo, doing the wop. Sliding on the floor in my striped knee-high socks. It's all risky business, Robocop. Goonies never die, jolted off that RC Cola pop. But they say I'm excellent, I'm feeling Ted bodacious, intelligent. I'm the shit, I'm the excrement. I'm always chased by the last Dragon Z Cavalry. My pants are never sagging. If you hit my pager code, shit, now I'm hella bragging. I walked in the party with my hair standing. Everybody knows Kung Fu is on the fanny pack, neon throwback. I don't give a fuck. I walked in the party with my hair standing. Everybody knows Kung Fu is on the fanny pack, neon throwback.